Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a simple but long-awaited update coming to Microsoft Teams, the new Enter key option. For years, pressing Enter in Teams instantly sends your message. That means accidental sends, half-written messages, and lots of frustration. Microsoft is finally fixing it. Soon, you'll be able to choose what the Enter key does when typing. Heavy check mark, start a new line. Or send a message. Why it matters. This makes writing longer messages easier and prevents mistakes, something Teams users have wanted for a long time. Microsoft expects to roll this feature out in February 2026. The date isn't final, but it's on the way. So get ready. A simple but powerful improvement is coming to Teams. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech updates.